Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh and welcome to Channel 6 Network's 9 p.m. bulletin. Here are tonight's top stories. The Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, has rejected claims of paper leaks for the 2025 board exams, calling them false and baseless. In an official statement, CBSE said these rumors are being spread to create panic among students and parents. The board has assured that strict action will be taken against those responsible for spreading this misinformation under the CBSE's unfair means rules. In a significant development, YouTuber Samay Raina and influencer Apurva Mukhija are set to appear before the National Commission for Women, NCW, to address the ongoing controversy surrounding an episode of India's Got Latent. The episode, which featured controversial remarks from Ranveer Allahabadia, has sparked widespread outrage. Both Raina and Mukhija will answer questions via video conferencing in connection with the incident. A Goa court has sentenced 31-year-old Vikas Bhagat to life imprisonment for the rape and murder of Irish tourist Danielle McLaughlin in 2017. The court's decision comes after a thorough investigation, and the case has been closely followed due to its tragic nature and the significant efforts made by the authorities to bring the perpetrator to justice. In other news, the centre has issued a warning of possible aftershocks following a 4.0 magnitude earthquake that struck Delhi and the National Capital Region early on Monday. Authorities are urging residents to remain calm and take necessary safety precautions as the region remains on alert. Rishabh Pant has narrowly avoided a setback ahead of the Champions Trophy after a freak accident during India's first net session. Pant was struck on the knee by a shot from Hardik Pandya but, thankfully, avoided serious injury. Despite initial concerns, Pant has resumed his training and is expected to be fit for the upcoming tournament. Ajinkya Rahane has voiced his disappointment over the BCCI's selection committee for not communicating with him regarding his unexpected exclusion from the Test squad. Rahane, who has been in strong form, expressed his frustration with the lack of clarity following his omission. And in a major development from Mumbai, a developer named Dharmesh Pound has been arrested in connection with the Rs 122 crore New India Cooperative Bank fraud. This comes after the earlier arrest of the bank's general manager, Hitesh Mehta. The Economic Offences Wing has taken swift action in the case. That's all for tonight's top stories. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for joining us at Channel 6 Network.